Hey everyone! Today we're going to be doing some exercises on the Bosu, and the first one is going to be the plank with the knee dips. I'm going to show you the ideal version and how to regress it in case you need to modify. So face your Bosu, blue side is up. Each knee is on the mat. Put your forearms right on there. Wrists line up with elbows, elbow lines up with shoulder. Get into a plank. Hold the position. Now if you're able to do this, extend your right leg up, followed by your left, left leg down, right leg down. Again, right leg, left leg, full plank, left leg, and right leg. Then you would switch, left leg, right leg, left leg down. So that is going to be your regressed version of the plank with the knee taps. Now if you're like, that's easy, here's how to progress it. Start in a full plank. Hold, put your toes in the full plank, pushing it away, dip your right knee down and up. Left knee down and up. Now you'll notice while I'm doing this, my back stays flat, my shoulders stay away from my wrist. And you want to keep that nice flat position. You don't want to be arching your back. So choose which version is going to work best for you. You start on bent knees. After that gets easy, maybe you progress up to the full plank with the taps. I hope that tip worked for you. Until next time, I'll see you on your mat.